Welcome back. Tonight, let's journey to a quiet mountain village where steam rises softly into the cool night air. Our first word means hot spring.
温泉、温泉、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
温泉に入ります。
The wooden bathhouse has stood for centuries, welcoming weary travelers. Inside, you leave everything behind. Our next word means naked.
裸、裸、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
裸で入ります。
Slipping into the warm, mineral-rich water, you feel the tension melt away from your tired muscles. Our next word means to relax.
くつろぐ、くつろぐ、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
お湯でくつろぎます。
Outside the open window, snow begins to fall gently on the pine trees, a beautiful contrast with the soothing heat of the bath. Our next word means nature.
自然、自然、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
自然を感じます。
The quiet sound of water and the peaceful surroundings bring a deep sense of calm to your soul. Our final word means healing.
癒し、癒し、
Let's hear it in a sentence.
心に癒しを。
May your sleep tonight be as warm and peaceful as a quiet mountain spring. Good night.
おやすみなさい。
Sweet dreams.
良い夢を。